After those huge days at work, it's not uncommon for your better half to be uncomfortable about you coming into your home as you're covered head to toe in grime and sweat. And we get it, as not everyone wants this through their clean house. So we have thought long and hard about this issue and found a very practical solution to help eliminate any future unneeded doorway disputes. Introducing Body Joy, a revolutionary pre-body wash foam that promises you'll say goodbye to boring washes, as it'll give you the cleanest, most indulgent body wash experience yet. Body Joy is conveniently applied with the Snowblow Cannon, offering a luxurious and invigorating body and clothes wash that's effective at both deep cleaning and leaving your skin feeling soft, smooth and refreshed, as well as bringing a relaxing spa-like experience into the comfort of your own home. Further teamed up with our specialised microfiber wash tools, it'll give you a seriously soothing deep clean. Rinse off and then dry down with a new level of ultimate comfort with our luxurious big green hugger. Just like a soft, fluffy, water-sucking cocoon, your body will emerge feeling brand new, so you can fly off to new adventures. Our passionate shed team have worked tirelessly in development of this new body wash, which we've now shortened as Aussies do to be effectively named BJ. Over the last year, we've discovered that it has brought our testing team closer together while participating in frequent group BJ sessions. After long taxing days in the shed or at car events and shows, we found this new group wash to be a truly awakening experience that leaves everyone feeling completely refreshed and rejuvenated afterwards. This foam-on body wash is perfect for busy car enthusiasts like us who want to look and feel as good as our rides do. With our free rinsing formula and moisturising ingredients, the finish leaves your skin feeling silky smooth and never dry or stripped. This is more than just a luxury wash. It's a shared experience that brings people closer together. There's something sensory about its amazing fragrance and the way it lathers up. It makes everyone feel more relaxed and comfortable around each other, opening up and enjoying the true bonds of Aussie mateship in ways we never previously thought was possible. After a year of us frothing on this, we would love to share the joy of a Bowden's own BJ with our biggest fans. So we're inviting you to an exclusive bonding session where you'll get to experience the wonders of a free group BJ together. Just imagine the feeling of refreshing foam as it envelops your skin while surrounded by fellow car enthusiasts who all deeply share your same passions. It's not over once the wash and rinse cycle is done. You'll know that you've found true mateship as you're dried down and wrapped up in a super luxurious velvety goodness of the big green hugger, transported to a safe world of softness and warmth, feeling closer to your mates than ever before. You don't want to miss this, so register your interest on our website now and be one of the lucky few who get to participate in our free group BJ. Thank you for watching.